Hi, my name is Richard. I'm from OCRV. I'm one of the technicians here. I work on all these generator services, oil change, transmission service. I do all the services here. This one came in because it didn't want to start. Put a new carburetor in it. Now she fires up and she runs. If you need any service like that, give us a call. And we got over here is a Fleetwood Providence. We installed a backup camera. Customer didn't like that there was an old black and white screen, so we went to a full color screen, upgraded it. And if you follow me inside, you'll see what's going on. So the old black screen used to be here. Customer didn't like it because he couldn't see, so we upgraded it. He wanted a color screen so he can see. So now he can see where he goes, so you don't have no accidents. And once again, if you guys need anything done like this, any services like that, call OCRV. We'll take care of you.